Tired of using a credit card that doesn't give you anything back? What if I told you there's a debit card that actually pays you to use it? I'm talking about the Venmo debit card, and it has a pretty unique rewards program that's about to change how you think about spending your own money. So, let's dive into how it works and how you can start earning rewards just by tapping your card. How it works. So, unlike most rewards programs, Venmo's rewards aren't a flat percentage on every purchase. Instead, they're tied to the places you already shop. When you use your card, you automatically earn a percentage back at specific merchants, and the best part is, you don't have to do a thing. There's no opting in or activating offers, it just works. Right now, Venmo offers up to 3% cash back on spending at a rotating selection of popular merchants like Uber Eats, Dunkin', and Chevron. This means that every time you use your card at one of these places, a little bit of that money comes right back to you. Understanding the tiered rewards. Venmo's reward system is tiered, which is important to understand. You get up to 3% back on your top spending category for the month. Up to 2% back on your second highest spending category. Up to 1% back on your third highest spending category. Let's say you spend a lot on gas and groceries, and a little on coffee. Your highest spending category for the month, like maybe gas, will get you 3% back, your groceries will get you 2% back, and your coffee will get you 1% back. This structure is a game changer because it doesn't force you to change your habits. Instead, it rewards you for the places you already spend the most money, turning your everyday purchases into a way to save. How to maximize your rewards. So, how do you make the most of this? First, check the Venmo app regularly to see the list of eligible merchants. These can change, and knowing where you'll get that 3% back can help you plan your spending. Second, consider using your Venmo card as your go-to for all of your everyday expenses. The more you use it, the more you'll earn. And since it's a debit card, you're spending your own money, so there's no risk of going into debt. The fine print. Now, a few things to keep in mind. The cash back is automatically loaded into your Venmo account. There are no points to redeem or hoops to jump through. You can earn up to $10 in rewards per month. While that might not sound like a lot, it adds up quickly, especially when you're getting paid to do things you were going to do anyway. In a world where most debit cards offer no rewards, the Venmo card stands out. It's a simple, no-fuss way to get paid for your daily spending. So if you're looking for a new way to get rewarded, this might be the perfect card for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.